Ta-da! This is my early 40s Remington-Rand branded typewriter desk, or secretary's desk. And I put a video up on it, up on YouTube a while ago, a couple of years ago, about this desk. And I showed the keyboard swinging down inside of it and the typewriter popping up, which is a neat trick, but it only really works with this very thin keyboard. And I used to have a very thin keyboard up here with some double-sided tape and hook and loop fasteners like Velcro. But if the keyboard's any more than about a half-inch thick, so there's just, well, maybe a little more than that, but there's not a lot of room. It can't be very big front to back, and it can't be very tall. So it wasn't very practical. So I have this keyboard, this ASIO something, that's the one, Retro Classic, which has backlighting and it's Bluetooth and everything. It's very slick. So when I want to change to typewriter mode, I have to put this to the side and I pull on this handle, pull up, and it does that. And this is my Hermes 3000. I think it's like a 68 or 70, and it's late 60s. The one after this is really, really blocky. It's got plastic on it and stuff. And the one before this is real curvy. So this one in between. There's the white keys. I think the green key is a little bit earlier than this. So anyways, what people always ask is how I have this fixture in here. Oh, this is my dog, Koa. Hi, Koa. What I did was I didn't want to screw the typewriter to the table. So I've actually got these wooden blocks. They're two pieces. It's a step block. And the step between them is just enough to hold on to this lip at the edge. The steel lip at the edge of the case. And there's three of them. One there, and one here. And on the other side of this are hurricane nuts. That's what they screw into. So I can do that. And you see the bottom of it right there. Let's see, where's one of them? There we go. And those are just pressed in from the other side. And what that allows me to do is if I want to take this out, put a screwdriver in there, take two screws out just loosely, and this block should come up like so. And because it's pinned on three sides, if you take any one of them out, the typewriter comes out. I'll try doing it now. So I didn't have to make any extra holes in the bottom. This typewriter desk originally did have holes in it. This is from the previous owner, or the original owner. I probably had a Remington-Rand typewriter on it. But I found the Hermes 3000 is one of the only typewriters I have that I can put in here and use the carriage return all the way from one side to the other. Because a lot of the manual full-size typewriters, like this Underwood over here, this guy, it looks like it's tall enough, but the carriage return arm over here, let's see. No, the carriage itself runs too low. It skims, it hits the edge of the desk right here. And the Hermes 3000 that I have can go that way and all the way this way just before it hits. So that is why I use that there. And to put it back together, put that block right there. Let's see. So the screws start to go down, which I can't do with one hand. There we go. Yeah. When you do this off camera, it always works. There we go. Let's try that. There we go. This guy. There we go. easier off camera. And I just leave it at you, put it up, and do that. And to put it all in perspective, that over there. This is my HP laptop. There's one USB-C cord over here. Open that up and smile at it. It's going to scan my face. Turn it on, well. There we go. And it hooks my speakers up to this big 32-inch Philips monitor. And I've got a whole desktop going here. Ta-da! I zoomed in a lot. Did I do a good job, Koa? Did I do an adequate job? Koa, don't run. I need your opinion. His opinion is that it's done and it's a wrap. Thank you, Koa. Bye-bye.